So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how many designs you should actually have on Redbubble, and if you're struggling to get your design numbers up, what you can do to allow yourself to make more designs and to make them faster. If you're ready for this one, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print on demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print on demand shops. If you're new around here and you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any new videos. We've helped a lot of people to make their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. So if you're looking for any extra information, down in the description, I have a free print on demand starter guide. And for anyone looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing, I also do have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked down below. So how many Redbubble designs should you have? This is something that's very subjective. So the information I'm going to be telling you guys is going to be based off my own experiences and how things have pretty much played out for me. And with that said, I recommend for you guys to have at least 100 Redbubble designs, not just 100 random designs. I'll go on to explain a bit further in this video as for why you should have 100 designs. Before I actually get in depth onto that topic, uploading at least 100 designs will put you into a mindset where you're ready to work, ready to create, and hopefully ready to make some money. And a lot of you guys may be thinking, okay, it may not be easy to get to that 100 designs, but there's variations of ways of doing this, and you need to pretty much categorize the kind of designs you're looking to actually going into creating. One of the main categories of designs you can create is image-based designs or artistic designs. I've got a few examples on the screen there, and some of those are art pieces that people made themselves. Some of these are art pieces that people have pretty much stolen from elsewhere, which is not a good thing to do. This usually leads to designs and shops getting taken down, so you don't want to be doing this. But if you are looking to create image-based designs, realistically you need to be even more patient when it comes to getting sales, unless you already have a ready audience looking to actually buy your work. From my own experience, I've realized if you're looking to make image-based designs or art style designs, the only way they're going to sell is if you're linking it to things people are interested in, whether that be through hobbies that may be trending, or whether that may be through hobbies that may also be more on the evergreen side of things. Another category for designs you can make is text-based designs. Now, text-based designs are a lot simpler to make, and they're what I usually recommend for people that are new to Redbubble because they're so easy to do. With text-based designs, there's so much option from what you can do. If you're finding trends, it's really easy to get them created. You don't even have to be on a PC or computer. You can make these on your phone, which is why these are readily and easily available for you guys to create if you're just getting started. And this is probably one of the easiest way to get to your first 100 Redbubble designs if you're looking to try to do that. So how do you actually make 100 designs fast? So firstly, you need a strategy, because it's going to give you a sense of direction, so you know what you're doing, you know where you're trying to get to, and you know how you're going to get there, especially in terms of making money. Now, with the making money side of things, when it comes to Redbubble, it's not something that's just going to happen overnight. It's going to allow you to put up designs that make sense, so you're not just working hard uploading anything, you're actually working smart, which is the main thing you need to be doing, obviously, if you're trying to be successful with this. For those that don't yet have a strategy, this is what I would recommend for you guys to do. Pick 4 different products, preferably products you like. I usually suggest stickers, kids clothing, greetings cards, and masks. These are products that you want to set as your front product image views. It's always good to go with some of the cheaper products, mainly because it increases the chances of people actually clicking on your design. At the end of the day, that's what you want. You want the click. Once people click on your design, their chances of buying are a lot higher than they would have been otherwise. And what most people don't realize is if someone clicks on a sticker, it doesn't necessarily mean that they're going to buy the sticker. They could like that design on a t-shirt, buy a t-shirt, and then you could potentially make more money. So that's just another way of looking at it. And then once you have your 4 products, you want to plan 25 designs for each of those products. Now, you don't have to have 100 designs planned and then start creating. You could plan your first 25 and then figure out how you're going to get them uploaded onto Redbubble, and then do that for the other 3 products till you have everything up. And this is going to allow you to do very, very well in terms of knowing what people like, which I'll get into in a second. But before I do get to that, with the designs you can currently see on the screen here, these are scalable designs. Using scalable designs will make it a lot easier for you guys to make those first 100 designs. And if you don't know what a scalable design is, it's a design that you can make a lot of very easily. Looking at the first example, it says, "I'm not old, best of 1975, I'm a classic." Now this could be changed to any year. It could go all the way from 1975 up to 1999, and easily, just like that, you could scale up 24 designs if you wanted to. Obviously, you need to be finding a niche that has low competition with a high chance of actually getting traffic if you want to be getting sales with scalable designs. And obviously in the other designs, you can see we have a greetings card there that says the first 50 years of childhood are always the hardest. Once again, this could be changed from the first 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, 60 years. You can be creative with it, with the final example being that pretty much falls into the star sign niche. As you can see, it says, "I'm not perfect, but I'm a Virgo, so close enough." Now, playing with scalable designs will allow you to get to those 100 designs very easily. And when you're planning your designs, if you do it this way, you don't really have to think of as many things, and you can get your idea sorted and then upload. But as for why it's actually important to make sure that you're picking 4 products to put 25 designs on each, it's important mainly because if you do this and you start to see that some of these designs or some of these products are getting sales, you're then kind of getting a feel for what people like. You need to bear in mind, people won't always buy the product that you set as the front image view. So you also want to be keeping track of which products you're selling more of, and whether you need to, 1, increase the margins on those, or 2, start to make more of those, which you can only do once obviously you start getting in some sales and you've created a shop with designs using the methods that we spoke about today. If you guys are not already doing this, I want you after this video to go away, see if you can plan 25 designs for 4 different products, get them onto your shop, and get back to me with the result. I can guarantee that a lot of you guys will be surprised, and in the long term, this could lead to you guys making even more money in more Redbubble shops, because once you use this method and you keep going with it, you get to a point where you actually know what particular products sell and maybe which designs deserve to have their own sort of niche store. If you've made it to this point of the video, this is another video you might want to watch. It's very helpful and it'll help you to definitely improve your Redbubble games. If you've made it to this point, down in the comment section, comment down 0 to 100 real quick. Always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.